Hi guys, so it is November the 5th, which means it's Guy Fawkes night. There's some fireworks going off in the background, which probably you couldn't see. I mean, I lined the camera up originally so we could see them, but no. It's just, oh, hello. Beautiful. We'll see if there's another big one, hold on. Okay, they're pansy ones. Anyway, so I've actually brought my own fireworks as well, so when these ones are finished in the background, I can start lighting my own. I've never actually lit a firework before, so it could be a disaster. Do you like my hat? So yeah. God, it actually must have been this noisy when it was the war. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Beautiful. Well, I think they've stopped now, so let's get mine going and see how it goes. Woo! Pretty. So we are me and my family are in the garden now, and we're lighting our own. Obviously, they're not as good as the ones that were in the background earlier. But, oh! So you nearly missed that one, Sammy. Oh, I can't see you. Everything's black. Yeah. So yeah, our fireworks are nowhere as good as the ones that are in the background. We spent like 61. How much did we spend? We spent £60-something on fireworks, and like most of them were quite good deals, and they're just like rubbish. I'm upset. We've got sparklers. I can only pick up the sparklers and not. It's fine. Jess. God, the handle's bent. Is it? I can't pick your faces up, just the sparklers.
Go in front, I don't like you behind.
Mine's all firm. Limp. Okay, so apparently we saved the best for last. We brought one firework thing that's supposed to let off loads, if that makes sense. It costs £35. It's called the big one. Now, let's see if it's actually any good. Okay. This is the big one, apparently. There's actually nothing there. Oh my god.
Don't go out.
£35. Oi! Woo! Yay! Is that it? Oh.
Is that it?
Ah!
£10.
£10.
Throwing it. You can hear it land over here.
I know.
That's not it, surely. Yeah. That is shit. That's crazy.
Oh.
Isn't it, Ricky?